how to sign into DAZN and manage your subscriptions. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to sign into your DAZN and manage your subscriptions. So what you would do is you would either install the app or just go ahead and open the browser as well. So simply type in DAZN on the web address bar. There you go, www.dazn.com. Simply tap onto the very first link that comes. And now you have to sign in, right? So make sure to accept all the terms and conditions and select login at the very top right hand side corner of the screen. You could continue with the email, Facebook and all that. I have actually used my Google account, so I'm just going to quickly use the Google itself as well. Now select the continue button, and this way you will be logged into your DAZN account. And in order to manage your subscriptions, you just want to make sure to go ahead and access settings. So for that, tap the menu at the very top right and go to settings. If you cannot find it right on the section, you could go ahead and select your profile as well and go to my account. So right over here you have my subscriptions, so you could simply go ahead and select this page and you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So this way you will be able to manage your subscription. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.